Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, we explore Quasar Alpha, a new AI model that's been getting a lot of attention. Some say it might be a new version of GPT-5 or Gemini 3.0 Pro. We show you how to use it and how to get access to it. With a massive 1 million token context window and fast performance, Quasar Alpha competes with top models like Llama 4. Watch the video to see coding demos and learn more about what this powerful AI can do. Let's dive in. So we have some amazing news about AI today, a new model which is completely stealth and we don't know exactly which lab it comes from, and it's taking the world by, well, I don't know how this sentence finishes, but this model has been benchmarked by individuals and all of them say it's a very, very good for programming. It has so much high usage, but you can use it for free. So let me show you the process. First of all, we've got two options. So we can chat with it or use the API, and this is provided by OpenRouter. But before I show you exactly how you can use it, before we test it out together, let me go over what the community says about it. So this guy, Yifon, says that it is indeed in his benchmarks, which is from all tests or just coding tests with Python and Buzz, the third best model. However, here we see that DeepSeek R1 is the best model in his benchmarks, and the test bench is not that amazing right now, so I think we should take this with a grain of salt. But still, this information exists, and it shows that this model possibly is very, very good. So the next thing is that OpenRouter says it has crossed already 10 billion tokens generated in its first day, and its origin remains a mystery. Like they play around with it, they obviously know from which lab it comes out. So a lot of people say that it is probably from OpenAI, ChatGPT, possibly it's O4 Mini or ChatGPT 5. That's what most people believe. Some says it's a model from Gemini, but I really think it's from OpenAI because I've also seen some other screenshots regarding how the tool calling is happening. So, some kind of preview version. So, what you want to do is go down below in the link to get the OpenRouter link. So, first of all, you've got a chat option which allows you to use the graphical user interface to chat with the model. Pretty much like how you would do with any other like model like ChatGPT or Claude. And you also got the option for the API. So, you click create API key, create key, and you get like your key over here, so which you can then go, for example, into Visual Studio Code or whatever code editor you have. So add it here by selecting API provider, so open router. In this specific setting I use Klein, but pretty much it's the same for everything. So you select open router provider, you then place your API key and select the OpenRouter Quasar Alpha model from the models section. So it's pretty easy. I gotta say, it's pretty easy. It's not that extraordinarily hard to go through, and the throughput of it is very, very good. So it has like 100 tokens per second, so it's most probably O3 or O4 mini or something like that. So we can use chat mode. I'm going to put it the first prompt. I'm going to ask it to write an SEO optimized SPX 500 calculator. So make it look nice and professional. I'm going to go with that. And it says that there's some kind of error, something that I may have to open up. So this is probably the model training option. So if you're an open router, you want to open this up so they can train on your answers, because that's how they make improvements to the models. So they offer them for free to you and they train on that data you create, so they have to spend more money on creating the data. So here we see it started working, started creating the code, and I'm really interested to see the final results. Let me know if you would like me to customize it further. So this was very fast model. So let's open up the new window. Let me copy the message. Just get all of the code in a single file. Okay, we got this HTML file. Let me set it up so we can test it out, and let's remove that. Okay, so this is the SPX 500 position size calculator. So that's what it created. Looks quite nice, very easy to do, very fast. So the next thing we will do is we're going to ask it to create an SVG icon, and then we will move into the editor. So we asked it to create an SVG icon for a computer. So let me put this somewhere here. Let's save this. And yeah, let's check how it looks on the browser. So boom, an icon for the computer looks super nice, and I guess that is also a very good answer. So we're going to move right now into writing an SEO optimized teaching page for transformer models. So I'm going to ask it to do that on the code editor. So this is a new test. Write an SEO optimized teaching page. So first of all, we're going to ask it to plan. So that's the first thing that it's going to do. It's going to create a plan for creating this transformer page. So I don't want it to structure this page. Reject. So we're going to reject this. Since I cannot review, I will plan. So it will create a plan for this page. Super fast model, I gotta say. So this is the plan. Transformer, weather transformer, placeholder images. Proceed with this plan. So we're going to ask it to add more technical details because we wanted to create a very good website. So I include interactive visualizations. So I really like how Client works here and how it asks you to do specific things. And I think this is amazing. Wow. So probably we're going to create an amazing channel, an amazing site actually. So let's proceed with this interactive plan. Amazing. So I'm really astonished by the quality of Client and also by the speed of this model. So we want to select an act mode. So we select act mode here. That's a major change and it starts to act. It starts to implement the page. So that's going to be amazing. So Quasar test 1, it goes with plain HTML. So this doesn't matter right now. What matters to us is that we get the actual model running. And here we can see exactly how many tokens we use and we get. That looks good. So it's completely automated. So save. So let's move on to the next thing. So the model looks good already. It looks very, very fast. And yeah, we have to run a command. It says start Quasar. Okay, so if you start HTML, it opens up a page. So this is like the web page it created. So it has this interactive architecture, self-attention mechanism, randomize it. Okay, so this is nice. Positional encoding. So the animate button doesn't work. Training procedures, and it links to the original paper. Okay, nothing super amazing, but I really like some things that it created. So it looks good. I want to go more in depth on the Transformers architecture, make sure all of the patterns and visualizations work, add more if needed. Okay, so the model looks very good. I gotta say, like, this is an alpha model. This is a very new model, and I already see it working quite well. So it doesn't look bad at all. I really like what I see from the model. So this is very interesting. This is very amazing, and I'm very excited to keep checking this model, keep trying it out. And it already feels really, really good. So it added more architecture, overview details about the encoder, the decoder. That looks good. Highlight encoder, highlight decoder. So cross attention, reset. So yeah, this looks very, very nice. And you can actually create a very good and in-depth site that looks good. So what do you think of this mysterious model? Is it from OpenAI or Gemini? Let me know your thoughts below. See you next time. Introducing VidCo. Untap your creativity with the best video AIs. Instantly create stunning videos, B-rolls, shorts, intros, and more. Powered by world-class AIs. Get access to top-end and exclusive video AIs like Minimax Video O1, Pyramid Flow, Kling AI, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper 2.5, One Video, Gen 3, VO2, etc. Dual function models included text to video and image to video. Create videos in any style or genre with text to video AIs. Turn any image into a motion video with the top image to video AIs. Any genre, any visual style, VidCo can create any video you want, including live action, hyper-realistic, photorealistic, 3D animation, cartoon, motion graphics, slow motion, pixel worlds, 2.5D visual, etc. VidCo is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get VidCo now. Just go to getvidco.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.